After Dogecoin, it's the time for other meme coins to grow, especially on ERC20. But the fact is, there are many meme coins in the market and it's difficult to check which meme coin is better and good for holding. So your own channel, Expert Studio, is here to help you in this matter. Now I will share a meme coin in this video which is much better for you to buy at the moment. If you want to know more, stay tuned with us. Feel uninvited. Hawk token is a decentralized and community focused cryptocurrency that rewards the holders 24/7 and 365 days. Right now the price of this token is entirely low and I will also share with you that how you can purchase this token. But before that, I will share some main news about this entire project. Basically, the entire focus of this team is about decentralization. Hawk is fully decentralized. All decisions are made and executed by the community. 100% of Hawk liquidity pool LP tokens have been burned. 50% of the LP tokens was sent to a burn address and 50% was sent to Vitalik Buterin. Now about the redistribution, Hawk rewards its holders with a 1% redistribution on each transaction in the form of frictionless rewards. Hawk is building a community-focused decentralized transaction network. Keep an eye on the moon map. Now the best thing that how you can purchase the token. I will share the contract address of this token in the description of this video and you can easily buy the token directly from the Uniswap exchange. Here you can see Hoka Idu Inu. The basic ticker of this token is HOKK and right now the holders are only 7522. It means the 7522 holders are over there and at this time the price is at about 95.9% plus. But very soon when the holders will increase, for example 100,000 or 200,000, at that time the price was really high. So it's your time to take the entries in this token, because if you are going to take the entry in this token right now, you will make some good profit. Remember Dogecoin, because it was, and even today it is a meme token, and right now the price of one Dogecoin is 0.24. But as per my own idea, this coin, Hawk token, will be even huge than Dogecoin. So how you can purchase this token, I will share the link. So only you have to open the link and then you have to copy this contract address, and after copying the contract address you have to go directly towards the Uniswap exchange. Then for example, if you are going to buy it with 1 Ethereum, you will get huge amount. Simply you can buy this token and only you have to hold this token for maximum 2 to 3 months and you will get some good amount of money. And as per my own idea, it will give us at least 60x. Nowadays I'm only making the videos on the meme coins. What's the reason? Basically these meme coins are awesome. They are giving us at least 60x 50x entirely easily. So it's the best time for you to take the entry in Hawk token, because the Hawk token, as per my own idea, will be entirely huge in near future. What you think about the price idea of this token, do let me know in the comment section. I will share the link of the website so you can easily join them on the Telegram, or secondly you can even follow them on the Twitter, because every day they are announcing new things on the Twitter. And also you can check out the entire data of the Hawk token, HOKK, on the CoinGecko, because right now the entire chart is live on the CoinGecko. Thanks a lot.